7th graders, hope you're doing well. So this video is just to give you an overview of what we're covering this week in Lesson 21 for Latin. And just to give you an update, things are still going well. I don't know if you can see, but I got a lamp, which is pretty nice because it was dark down here. I'm in the basement. You can see behind me there's a dog painting on the wall, and there's a vent above me. Anyways, we are on Lesson 21 in second form Latin, 7th graders. So if you guys want to follow along, we're talking about pages 62 and 63 in your textbook. So just a couple things to keep in mind for this. We're talking about interrogative pronouns and adverbs. So a couple things. Interrogative pronoun, what does that mean? All that means is this is a pronoun, like he, she, or it, that you use when you're asking a question. So in Latin, there's a special word for if you're asking for what kind of thing. In English, whether you're using a question or not, you would use the same form for what, but in Latin it's a little bit different. And then the adverbs are words that help us to ask questions, such as why, cur, in Latin. So I'll just take a look at this. Quis, that would be who. Quid would be what. Actually, I'm going to pull up these. So now you guys can follow along right with me on the screen. So two kinds of question words, right? We'll just take a look at through this. So we got quis, which is who. Quid, which is what. Quando, when. Ubi, where, in what place. Cur, why. Quote, how many. Quam, do, how long. Quomodo, how, or in what way. And ne, which is something we just stick on the end of words to ask questions. Then there's a couple questions here that you can commonly see. So instead of saying what's up in Latin, you'd say quid novi, what's new, or what of new. And the way you might answer that would be nihil, or nothing. What is your name? Quid est tibi nomen? Mihi nomen est Troy. Mihi nomen est Mr. Timmerman. And then quomodo vales, how are you? Satis bene, good enough, or optime, gratias, that would be the best, thank you. Okay, then if we look here, that picture turned out a little bit blurry. You can follow along. So for yes or no questions, we put the enclitic ne at the end. So orabat is he was praying. And if you want to make a question, was he praying, you just add the ne at the end. So if you see a word with ne at the end, there's a good chance that it's asking a question. In English, how we would do that is we put a helping verb before the word. So instead of saying he was praying, if you wanted that to be a question, you just move the helping verb. Was he praying? All right. That's all we're going to do for now. You guys keep staying healthy out there, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon.